Welcome to Acura 101 West, the #1 volume new Acura dealer in Southern California. At Acura 101 West, you can expect great things. Great selection, great service, and great value.
This sensational 2006 Acura TSX is equipped with a fuel-efficient 2.4-liter inline four-cylinder engine, a fluid automatic transmission, the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive, and has only 27,329 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include the manufacturer's audio system with a satellite link, a disc auto changer and a 6-disc remote CD changer, an 8-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 31 miles per gallon on the highway, and 22 in the city. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and for your comfort this sedan has a touchscreen navigation system equipped with voice control technology and an air conditioner with climate control, and not to mention that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has front and rear roof airbags. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.
Expect great things at Acura 101 West. For more than 15 years, we deliver world-class customer service in a friendly, courteous atmosphere. It's easy at Acura 101 West. Contact our internet department today at 818-222-5555 or stop on by. We're conveniently located off the 101 freeway at the Calabasas exit.